Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to convert Japanese video to English subtitles. Before we start this video, be sure to subscribe, because we make new videos all the time, and I don't want you to miss any. Okay, let's go. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it, you can download it by clicking the link I put in the description area. Now click Create a Video. In the left panel, click here to upload your video. Now, drag the video to the timeline. We can see it's a Japanese video.
お好みのキャラクターを選び、自分の声を変換することができます。
And if you want to translate it into English subtitles, first, click Subtitles Auto Subtitle. Auto subtitles can recognize human voices in audio and video and automatically generate subtitles. Here you can select the language you want to translate. Let's select English. Now click Auto Subtitling. When you click Auto Subtitling, it will automatically generate all subtitles, including the translated subtitles. Okay, you can see the subtitles are generated in both Japanese and English. If you don't want the Japanese subtitle, you can simply click the eye icon to make it invisible. And now you have added English subtitles to a Japanese video just with a few clicks. Isn't this simple? Okay, if you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comments section. See you in the next video.